guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making for you lemon pound cake, so please stick around and watch this video. My ingredients are: I have 2 lemon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3/4 cups of buttermilk, 1 cup of softened butter, 5 eggs. I have 1 cup of sugar and 2 cups of flour. First, I'm going to start by creaming the butter and the sugar. So I'm adding the butter. And I'm going to cream this until it is light and fluffy. And now I'm just going to add the eggs gradually. I'm going to add them one at a time, okay? Until everything is combined. See, everything is nice and combined. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna add the vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add the buttermilk and I'm gonna combine everything together. Look at this, beautiful, 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 beautiful. It's smelling awesome. Just combining everything together. And if you don't got buttermilk, you can use whole milk or sour cream. Now I'm going to add the baking powder to the flour. And I'm going to give this a nice whisk. I'm going to blend them together. Now I'm going to add the flour to the mixture until everything is combined. Now you want to go ahead and scrape down the sides of the bowl. And I'm going to add the rest of the flour, all of it. And this is the consistency, light and creamy. See, very nice, very nice. I'm gonna add about 5 drops of coloring to it. I'm using yellow coloring, and this part is totally optional, just to give it some color. If you don't want to, you don't have to use any coloring to it. I'm using yellow. Everything is fully combined. Now I'm just going to put this aside and grease my baking tin. And also you want to go ahead and preheat your oven on 350 degrees. This is what I'm going to bake the pound cake in. And I'm just greasing the pan. You can go ahead and use parchment paper if you got parchment paper. And this is nicely greased. And now I'm just gonna add the butter to the baking tin. Or you can use a bundt pan if you got bundt. You want to leave a 2-inch space for it to rise. You don't want to fold it up completely, else there will be no space for it to rise. While the cake is in the oven, I'm just going to go ahead and make a glaze for the pound cake, lemon pound cake. So this is 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and this is ½ cup of icing powder or icing sugar or confectionate sugar, whatever you guys call it. So these, just gonna add this together and give it a nice mix. No lumps or bumps. And when the cake is done, you're just gonna drizzle this on top. If you want it thicker, you can add some more icing powder. If you want it thinner, you can add some more lemon juice, or you can use lemon extract, you know. So this is it. This is my glaze, simple and easy to make. And there you have it, guys, my lemon pound cake. Look at that look at this beautiful pound cake. So hot, moist. I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait. Look at my beautiful pound cake. I can't wait to taste this. And now I'm gonna try to take this out of the tin, even though it's hot, and it comes straight out. This is the beauty of greasing. Oh my goodness. And now I'm just gonna drizzle this with my icing. Oh my god, look at the cake, how it's beautiful, guys. Beautiful cake, beautiful. Guys, look at this. Even though it's still warm, so moist. Oh my goodness, so moist. Oh my god. If you reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and thanks for watching my video. Bye guys, see you in my next one.